Hi, and welcome to NuBuilder Forte in less than a minute. I'll summarize what NuBuilder is and why it's ideal for your cloud-based business solutions. NuBuilder is an ideal replacement for programs like Microsoft Access. Using a simple browse screen to offer an easy way to search and sort your data, you'll never need to manually search a spreadsheet ever again. Once set up, you can use NuBuilder's edit screen to input data into user-friendly fields that save directly into your database. NuBuilder not only uses industry-standard coding language to make this open-source software easily modifiable, but also comes with a suite of custom-made drag-and-drop creation tools so that users can create databases easily without the need for advanced coding knowledge. In NuBuilder, all design changes and records are held inside a single file, making it easy to back up and restore. At NuSoftware, we believe less is more, and NuBuilder Forte is the tool you need to make that possible.